Interesting traditions from around the world. In the Philippines, there's a tribe in Sagada that buries their dead in limestone caves. They hang up coffins to protect the souls of the dead, and to protect them from monsters. There's an annual wife-carrying competition in Finland, where men have to carry their wives, whilst racing through obstacle courses. In Gloucestershire in England, there's an annual cheese racing competition, where people race after a roll of cheese down a steep hill. Whoever passes the finish line first, wins the roll of cheese. The Ipoong festival in Thailand looks stunning, although it's not so good for the environment, as thousands of lanterns are released into the sky, to symbolize the letting go of misfortunes. The festival lasts 3 days, and is usually in November. It's meant to be a time of joy and reflection. In Castrillo de Murcia in Spain, they have a yearly ritual called El Colacho, where people dressed as demons jump over newborn babies in the street, to purify the babies of sin. When a child loses a baby tooth in Greece, they don't put it under their pillow to get money, they throw the tooth onto the roof of their house and make a wish. In parts of Germany, friends and family will gather outside of a bride-to-be's house the night before the wedding, and smash porcelain items on the pavement. The couple learn teamwork, as they clean it up together, which is important for a happy marriage. There's parts of rural Scotland, where it's tradition for family and friends to throw garbage at an engaged couple the week before their wedding. The reasoning is that if you can survive a garbage bath as a couple, then you can survive anything. In Korea, there's one last trial a husband must endure before he can take his wife home on their wedding day. He will have his shoes removed by wedding guests, and they will bind his feet, and beat them for a few moments with either sticks or dried fish. In parts of China, it's traditional for men to carry their pregnant wives over burning hot coals to ease their deliveries when they have the baby. Maybe they should just get a C-section instead. The Tanomani people of the Amazon don't believe in letting the bodies of their dead friends and relatives rot away. Instead, the bodies are burned, and they mix the remains into a sort of soup that the mourners then eat. The Yoruba people in West Africa take respect for elders very seriously. So seriously that women are supposed to drop to their knees when greeting elders, and men are expected to lie right down on the ground. In the Czech Republic at Easter, it's customary for men to gently whip women with willow branches, to ensure their fertility and good fortune. The women then give the men either a painted egg, or a shot of alcohol in return. In Catalonia, there's a great Christmas tradition for children called cogatio. They have a hollow log with wooden legs, and a face painted at one end. Up until Christmas the children look after them like they're alive. On Christmas Eve they beat them open with sticks to get the presents inside. If you have a very strong stomach and you're in Iceland during the festival of Thorri, it's a time where they indulge in their more distinct culinary creations. You might want to try fermented shark meat, which you might regret, as it's an acquired taste. Be aware. Traditional Icelandic food isn't for the faint-hearted, and it's considered a feat of strength if you can eat it and keep it down. Please like and subscribe so you see more of my videos.